Coach Blake. How about it, ladies and gentlemen? Driver intros for all 128 entries. Give them a round of applause one more time. That was a lot of fun. My first kids' night, that was definitely a memorable event. Well, before we get racing on tonight, we've got a special guest joining us. Box stock driver Brantley Dick is going to sing our national anthem. So at this time, I need everybody to please rise and remove your hats, and we'll let Brantley sing our national anthem. Ready?
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, once so proudly we hailed at the twilight last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red, oh, okay, red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Way to go, bud. Brantley Dick, ladies and gentlemen, he's 10 years old. You would have had no idea. First time singing the anthem here at Millbridge Speedway. Well, all the pre-race pop-in circumstances. Brantley Dick, starts in this B-feature event, sang the national anthem. Never has done it in public before. He knocked it out of the park. So congratulations and job well done to Brantley Dick, who rolls off inside of row number 4, or inside of row number 2. Here we go. Coming to green, B feature number 2, looking for 2 more to join the A main field later tonight as one loops around off of 4. And the caution flag will wave, and that is going to be from deep in the field, the 3 machine of Edward Massencup. So Mason Cup will get turned back around as rejoin the field. Talked to Owen Larson a little bit as we walked into the gate this afternoon, and he said, wouldn't be surprised if you see him maybe in a micro coming up in a little bit, so stay tuned to that. But he leads the field to the green flag. It's back in the air, and we're underway for B feature number 2. Larson with the advantage and will take the point. Here comes the 3 car up to second. That's Brantley Dick. We talked about him. Sung the national anthem, looking for a race win here in the B feature to get himself locked into the A.
Yes, Dick's trying to make his way into a transfer spot down the back straightaway. Mason Cup riding third. Here comes Beamer in fourth down the front straightaway. As Dick slides up off the corner, here comes Mason Cup, but she's going to get a shot by Beamer into Keister down through 3 and 4.
Mason Cup will slide back into position number 3. That first car outside of the transfer spot, but they're hungry behind Brooke. Here comes to the inside, the 7B of Beamer again this time. Can't get it done as your leader starts to pull away. Owen Larson. Second is Dick. Third, Mason Cup and Beamer battling on your screen for that 3rd spot.
Here comes,
contact.
Oh, wow. The cowgirl, Zoe Smith, trying to wrangle her way up into a transfer spot in second. She runs second in the A main last week, and here she is battling for a transfer. This competition's so stiff here at the Millbridge Speedway. Never going to know if you're fighting for a win or even trying to make it to the A main the next week.
I know. Nothing is a given here at Millbridge Speedway, as everybody now, you're at least top 8 or 9 are single file. There's a look at your leader, Owen Larson, in the 01. He's got the Durst colors on that hot rod down the back straightaway. He's going to see 4 laps to go this time. He has got a healthy lead over Brantley Dick. But that second and final transfer spot battle may be heating up, because right on his heels is Brooke Mason Cup.
Mason Cup running a little bit higher line in the corner. That's helping her get a little bit of a runoff. You see there, half a cart length higher than Brantley Dick in the center of the corner. As we'll see how this line heats up now with 3 laps to go. See about a 5 to 6 kart length gap down the back straightaway to turn number 3, back to 4th as there's Zoe Smith trying to hold off a charging Reese Beamer.
Larson sees 2 laps to go. No threat behind. It's still Brantley Dick by about 2.5, 3 kart lengths over Mason Cup. The white flag is out. One more opportunity for Brooke Mason Cup in the 33M to try to get by the 3 of Brantley Dick for the transfer spot. Down the back straightaway they go. Not going to get close enough. Off of 4, Owen Larson will win beat number 2 and lock himself in the feature as well as Brantley Dick.
Love you. Oh, it's good. Okay, just get out.